All right, if you are to install the Minecraft, you're going to go to this Windows, bottom left of your screen. It shows all your programs. Scroll down till you get to the M's because we want Microsoft Store, has a little shopping bag. We want to open Microsoft Store by clicking on it. You will see Minecraft is right here. You're going to click on Minecraft. It's going to open another window. That window is going to have a blue install button. You need to click that blue install button. Let the program install onto your computer. After that is installed, you need to restart your computer to put everything back where it belongs, including the new program you just downloaded. So let's see. So when this comes up, you're going to click on this install. After it installs, I want you to restart. If you don't know how to restart, it is on this little Windows button again. You'll see the power button here, and then restart right here. So restart, and then come back to the class.